Once you are in here, and as you go through these activities, you will have to click to get them started for the class. Monster Quiz is one where students do have to use their device, so I can't show an example of this right now because I do not have students connected to my class. But this next one is Flip Out. This is an example of kind of vocabulary cards that you can use with students where you can have them look at it, click read the definition, click on the picture. You can create them however you want. This activity is Match 'em Up. Students will need to drag and drop for this one, it's an example of what the picture is and then the pictures that they are trying to match to find which ones go together. If they get it incorrect, it will just send them back. This next activity is another example of how you can use the Match 'em Up activity. This teacher created this activity for counting on for math. So they would find a number over here, 28, and then which number would come next. And that's how they created this Match 'em Up activity. This activity is rank order. And so this teacher chose to use this as a math activity to count on from 40 to 51. So students will have to put the numbers in order to complete this activity. This activity is the super sort. And so in this activity, students will have to sort the boxes to either the counting forwards column or the counting backwards column. So they would grab their picture and drag and drop to the one that they think it goes to. If they get it incorrect, it'll shoot it back out. This next activity is the game show activity. Students can also use this one on their own device to play if they would like to. And in here, it's set up very much like a game show where you can spin, get a question, and then have to answer the question on your own. Okay. Our next activity is Speed Up. This activity is very much like racing against your opponent. So right now I have two racers on the screen. They will get to pick which racer they want to be. And then questions will pop up that each racer up at the board can answer on their own. So as the racer, they will answer the questions, and then whoever gets it right the fastest will get to move faster in the race. This activity is the fill in the blanks activity. For this one, they have to drag the picture below with the word and find which sentence it would belong to. The last activity that I have an example of is the label review. In here, you can have a diagram where you can have students find out which name is for each label. You can also add a definition to each label, and when the students click on the plus sign, they will be able to see the definition that was added.